Hello again, this is Aaron Heldreth, and I am bringing you a presentation on flipped classrooms. One of the first and most obvious differences in this style of teaching is that it reverses the traditional roles. This gives the teacher the ability to provide information and knowledge to the students through the internet and other means that they can view, rewind, and look at their own house, and then be able to come into the classroom with that new knowledge and be able to further it by asking questions in a collaborative manner. Through this style of teaching, that is going to build stronger relationships. What it's going to do is open up a two-way street of communication. So instead of the teacher just standing up in front of the classroom, giving all direct instruction, and expecting the children and students to be able to absorb all of that on site, on scene, now it gives them the ability to view the content, hear what the teacher is putting out, but then be able to come back with their own questions in their own time. This also gives the teacher the ability to have one-on-one time with their students, and this can either be online or in the classroom. So for example, if the teacher is teaching about math, or say a math problem, and the student is having a difficult time with a particular problem, they could either email the student or email the teacher back, or the students could come in with those particular questions that they had from what they learned at their house and go over that with the teacher in the classroom. Again, creating stronger relationships and giving them more of an opportunity to learn and grow. This information is also put out in a new way for them to be able to view it and receive it. Instead of this just being direct instruction in the classroom, this gives the students the ability to view it when they want and how they want. Also, if they're having a difficult time learning it, they can rewind or just completely restart the entire section to get a greater understanding. Also, it allows teachers to differentiate the lessons more, since they can design and build into the lessons particular information and areas for the different students that they have. So then the students can view it on their own in their house. Lastly, it helps to create a collaborative classroom. By presenting the information in this way, it allows the students to relax, absorb the information as it comes to them, and then gives them the avenue to be able to respond back. So it kind of takes a lot of the pressure off of the student. Students can learn in the relaxation of their own home, rewind and digest the information as they desire. Then they can come back to the classroom with that knowledge and additional questions to help fill in any of the gaps. In summary, the main advantages that I saw from this style of teaching is that it gives the students more opportunities to learn. It helps build stronger relationships between the teachers and the students, which again provides for greater educational gain, and it also creates a more collaborative classroom experience, which all leads to more knowledge gained. Thank you.